How to create a text for a campaign with Jasper AI. First of all, you are in the main tab, main page, and you will go on the left side and create a content. Here it will take you to a different page and you will choose from the library and you will choose content marketing. You view different options and you can choose between a blog post, landing pages, content rewrite, or referent. I will go with a social media campaign, and because of I have just a basic subscription, I'm not able to go with this one. So I will just go with a social media ad. And here with my social media ad, I can just choose an objective which I want to do. I will just choose increase brand awareness. What is the key message of your ad? For example, I could be a sales trainer, and I will go with how to sell to anyone. Next, I will choose and my audience, and my target audience is entrepreneurs and small business owners. And I will add more information that I will go with unique selling points as my service is unique in that I do boot camps. My product is a boot camp. I will click on the next and go with generate now. And it gives me 3 different ad variations in the moment for my social media ad. And the first one, it gives you a primer text, headline, description, and call to action button. Basically, it creates a really nice social media ad like this one, the first one. Struggling to close deals? Learn the art of selling to anyone with our expert-led bootcamp. Master proven techniques to skyrocket your sales and grow your business. Your potential clients are waiting. Start selling smarter today. And button on the learn more. That's great. And I can just go with this pointer and it will continue with the writing. So it will write me more information about the first variation. That's it. That's for this video. I will see you in the next one.